There is a specific kind of pain that comes from being used. It is a dull, aching sensation in your chest. You feel it when you say yes, when you desperately wanted to say no. You feel it when you apologize for something that wasn't your fault. You feel it when you go out of your way to help someone who wouldn't even cross the street to help you. You tell yourself you are just being nice. You tell yourself you are a good person. You're lying. You're not nice. You're weak. You're not good. You're afraid. You're afraid of conflict. You're afraid of rejection. You're afraid that if you stop letting people use you, they will leave you. And so you have become a doormat. You lay yourself down and you let the world wipe its dirty feet on your soul. The ancient Stoics believed that self-respect was not a luxury. It was a duty. Epictetus, a man who spent his youth as a slave, understood this better than anyone. He knew that physical chains are easy to break, but mental chains, the chains of needing approval, are nearly impossible to shatter. He asked a simple, brutal question. How long are you going to wait before you demand the best for yourself? If you do not respect yourself, the world will not respect you. It is a universal law. People are like water. They will flow where there is no resistance. If you have no boundaries, they will flood your life until you drown. Today, on Philostrion, we are going to rebuild your spine. We are going to explore the Stoic laws of self-respect. We will teach you how to set boundaries that burn, how to say no without guilt, and how to walk through this life not as a servant to the whims of others, but as the monarch of your own existence. Law number 1, the power of no. No is the shortest sentence in the English language, yet it is the hardest one for you to say. You treat no like it is an insult. You wrap it in apologies. You say, I'm so sorry I can't because I have to do this other thing. You offer excuses. You beg for understanding. Stop explaining yourself. When you explain your no, you're asking for permission to have boundaries. You're handing the other person an opportunity to argue with you, to negotiate with you, to guilt trip you. A Stoic understands that his time and energy are his most precious resources. Seneca reminded us, people are frugal in guarding their personal property, but as soon as it comes to squandering time, they are most wasteful of the one thing in which it is right to be stingy. Every time you say yes to something you don't want to do, you are saying no to yourself. You are stealing from your own life to pay for someone else's comfort. Why is their comfort more valuable than your sanity? You must learn to wield no like a sword. It does not need to be sharp or angry. It just needs to be solid. No, I cannot do that. No, that doesn't work for me. No. Watch what happens when you say it without an excuse. There will be an awkward silence. The other person will wait for the apology. Do not give it to them. Let the silence hang in the air. That silence is the sound of your self-respect growing. If they get angry, let them. If they leave, let them. Those who get mad at you for setting boundaries are the ones who benefited from you having none. Their anger is not a sign that you did something wrong. It is a sign that you finally did something right. Law number 2, eliminate the need to explain. Weak men explain, strong men state. Observe the dynamic in any conversation. The person with the lower status talks more. They explain their actions, their choices, their history. They are desperately trying to be understood, trying to be validated. I bought this car because I broke up with her because I'm wearing this because Marcus Aurelius didn't walk around the camp explaining his decisions to his soldiers. He commanded, "You are the emperor of your own life. Why are you acting like a defendant in a trial? When you constantly explain yourself, you are subconsciously telling the world, I am not sure if I am right. Please tell me I am okay." This is blood in the water for manipulators. They smell your insecurity. They will question you just to watch you dance. Practice the art of silence. When you make a decision, state it. I am resigning. I am not coming to the party. I am changing my career. When they ask why, you have a choice. You can offer a reason if you respect them. But you are never obligated to offer an explanation. Sometimes the most powerful answer is a shrug or a simple "because I chose to." This terrifies people. They are used to people who are malleable. When they meet someone who is solid, who doesn't feel the need to justify his existence, they instinctively respect him. Your life is your own. You do not owe anyone a report. Law number 3, the willingness to walk away. In any relationship, in any negotiation, in any interaction, the person who is most willing to walk away holds all the power. If you need the deal, you will be exploited. If you need the friendship, you will be disrespected. If you need the relationship, you will be abused. Need is vulnerability. The Stoics practiced autarkia, self-sufficiency, specifically to avoid this trap. They cultivated a mind that was happy with itself. They preferred to have friends, but they did not need them to survive. This is the ultimate leverage. When you know, deep in your bones, that you will be perfectly fine alone, you become dangerous. You become unshakable. You can look at a bad boss and say, "I quit," because you're not afraid of poverty. You can look at a toxic partner and say, "This is over," because you're not afraid of loneliness. Do you have this power, or are you terrified of the void? Most people stay in situations that destroy their soul because they are terrified of the unknown. They choose the hell they know over the heaven they have to build alone. Develop your walk-away power. Build your skills so you can always find work. Build your mind so you can always find peace. When people realize that you are not bluffing, that you will actually pack your bags and disappear if they cross your lines, they will treat you with a reverence you have never experienced before. They will know that your presence is a choice, not a necessity. Law number 4, value your own opinion above all others. This is the core of self-respect. Why does the compliment of a stranger lift you up to the clouds? Why does the insult of a fool drag you down to hell? It is because you have outsourced your self-worth. You are like a stock market ticker, fluctuating based on the speculation of the crowd. Marcus Aurelius found this phenomenon ridiculous. He wrote, "It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own." Think about how absurd that is. You are the one who has to live with your thoughts. You are the one who knows your intentions, your struggles, your victories. And yet, you value the hasty judgment of a neighbor or a colleague more than your own deep knowledge of yourself. If you know you did the right thing and the world boos you, the world is wrong. If you know you did the wrong thing and the world cheers for you, the world is wrong. A Stoic carries his own ruler. He measures himself against his own standards, not the standards of society. When you stop looking around to see if people are clapping, you liberate yourself. You become immune to flattery and immune to slander. You must reach a point where your own self-respect is so high that the respect of others feels merely like a bonus, not a requirement. Look in the mirror. That is the only judge you need to satisfy. If that person respects you, nothing else matters. Law number 5. Kill disrespect while it is small. There is a concept in psychology called the broken windows theory. If a window in a building is broken and left unrepaired, soon all the other windows will be broken. Disorder invites more disorder. The same is true for your dignity. If you allow a small sarcastic comment to slide next time, it will be an insult. If you allow someone to be late without consequence, next time they will not show up at all. If you allow someone to interrupt you, next time they will silence you. You teach people how to treat you. Every time you tolerate disrespect, you are training that person. You are saying, this is acceptable behavior. You must catch it early. You do not need to be aggressive. You do not need to scream. You just need to correct it. When someone interrupts you, stop. Look at them. Wait. And say, I wasn't finished. When someone makes a joke at your expense, do not laugh awkwardly. Look at them and ask, explain to me why that is funny. Watch them crumble. The Stoics were calm, but they were not weak. They possessed an iron will. Being a Stoic does not mean being a punching bag. It means being a fortress. A fortress does not attack, but it also does not allow itself to be breached. Draw your lines in stone, not in sand. Let people know that there is a territory called you that is not open for invasion. Self-respect is a lonely path. When you start applying these laws, you will lose people. The friends who liked you because you were a doormat, they will call you arrogant. The partner who liked you because you were submissive, they will call you difficult. The family who liked you because you had no boundaries, they will say you have changed. Good. Let them go. You are shedding the dead skin of your old self. You are shedding the parasites. Do not be afraid of the space you are creating. That space is for the new people, the strong people who will respect you because you respect yourself. But even if no one comes, you have yourself. Seneca said, if a man knows not to which port he sails, no wind is favorable. Your self-respect is your anchor and your sail. It tells you where you are, and it drives you where you need to go. Stop begging for scraps of attention. Stop apologizing for taking up space. You are here. You exist. You have a duty to your own soul to carry yourself with dignity. Lift your head. Look the world in the eye, and never, ever let them wipe their feet on you again. Sand.